wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot at selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yo, damn mafia, I see what we are dealing with today, man. With they are man with the vendetta boss. Mr. Open our brain. Mr. Nah laugh. Mr. Youngest and the baddest. You don't know what I talk about today, man. Yo, one of the best in dancer game right now. And we're not talking about none other than the vendetta boss. The man himself, the youngest and the baddest. None other than Alkaline. Yeah, man, gang. I know a lot of y'all been requesting a video for this song for a minute now. And people are wondering, yo, dog, this nigga never drop a video for this song and these things. I see a lot of people talking on the internet say, yo, we need a video for this. We need a video for this. And he finally did it, man. Yeah, man, this is a dope ass track that I agree with y'all deserve a video. You feel me? This one we're there with Alkaline and there with the video for Boss. You know what I'm saying? We reacted to the audio already. Now we're reacting to the video. He finally dropped the video, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check it out and see what Alkaline do it today. We're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. We're gonna jump in the track, then we're gonna chop it up at the end. So make sure you stay tuned at the end, okay? And before we jump in the track, make sure so no code up. That mafia, make sure no code up, man. Code is life. Do the right thing. You feel me? And if you're new to the channel and don't know what the code is that we live by over here. If you're watching a video, you like a video. And if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. So that's the code that we live by. So just do the right thing. Become part of the gang, man. So let's do the right thing. You see me? So we're not going to hold up the vibe much longer. We're going to react to this and then we're going to jump in at the end and talk about it. You feel me? This is Alkaline. Boss? Come on, man. Let's get it.
Hey, hey,
Yeah. Hey.
execution style.
Hey.
Yeah.
Execution style, you know, man. Kill boy body, you know, man. Yeah, man. Come in. Come on. The song I had before. If you never hear that, I'll let you know. The song I had, the beat and everything. Come on, man. Let's get it.
Boss for every boss. Done for every done. Ever militant. So it and so it and. Humble like a lamp. Tell them no confusion. Boss for every boss. Done for every done.
Come in, man. Dan Mafia would say. Done for every done. I want to know. You know, done for Dan Mafia doing alcohol. What do you think? We're done for no. You know what I'm saying? Come here, let's get it.
No see I want. So it and so it and. No confusion.
Yeah.
Hey, shut and hype over trap. Badness no break them where them get it from. A fool and know the time them get cramp. Them only good for fire blank. Pretending, must want to meet the bending. Them can't see me, they pan a higher rank. And if I don't
easy no man, I want to you know brother. Badness never like them, man say dog. I want to them. You can't see we they pan a higher rank, brother. I want to you man you.
I shop them plate, them have to get a scan. Clone them no pay no mind, them just a rant. A sudden data instant. Brains pick them up from half a distance. A guy if you know say me no run prank. Hey,
man say yo, a sudden death a instant. Rifle pick them from a distance. Some boy if you know say I no prank. Tell you why you know.
That's for every boss. Done for every done. Ever militant. So it and so it and. Humble like a lamb. Tell them no confusion. Hey.
So humble like a lamb have a lamb in a thing to eat so.
Boss for every boss. Done for every done. Make them know see I want and I no confusion. So it and so it and. Done for every. Bluffing, Conida can't nothing. Upon them regular, them face get thumping. Tat up no ink no going. Sick come out there.
There's a rough up, they can't nothing. Upon the regular, them face get thumping. To them, come in.
My cell look so disgusting. Pumpy bust the made off most a pumpkin. Smarty make them up, go dust him. Boy, this a shot a crush him. Nice I make the AK do the yoshin. Them fall like come to Dumpty. No care which part away fire go out him. Girl alone, me know if you do the mountain. Who them have to quat?
Alkaline man say a girl alone, me know if you out him. I want to your man out anyway. Hey, come on.
Who are we nothing will ever stop? Who are the jersey pan back? Let them be not the black. Step out a line, that's it. Is a rap. What else you say? I know say them a saps. Our world and that's a fact.
Step out a line and that's it. You see one more word for they say we know say them a saps on here. Man sky I do so that. Come here, man.
Shot them brain jump out, them need a shot. Do the dirt and no socks. Where them here about and a wax. Shell them down to nothing left is scraps. Can't take like how we take me now axe. Boss fear.
Shell them down and left the scraps. Can't step how me step me now axe. Easy now, man. Come on.
Boss.
Done for me done. I go there with all lamb and alpaca out this bit. Easy now, man. go there golfing. You know what I mean? Bust down cardio on the wrist, man. I want to tell you, man, out there live like a rich white man. I want to tell you, Malka. Tell them say you're good in a life, brother. They're on a different level, bro. You know what I'm saying? Pigs. Daniel boys, big up on yourself. Boss, heavy boss. Done for heavy done. As waitan. Ever militant. Yeah, man, big up Alka, dog. Alka, the alpaca. That's why you had the alpaca in this bitch. Yeah, Alkaline and alpaca. Come in, man. Alkaline did this thing on the track, but this was a real dope track. You know what I'm saying? Boss, heavy boss. He should have been dropped a video for this shit. But we're glad he finally did. You don't know. The Vendetta boss been doing this thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Like one of the goats in the game right now. You know what I'm saying? Real shit, real talk, man. Alka been putting on for the culture. Everybody say he's not lazy, but his pace between music is very long. So some people call it as like lazy, but that's like the pace, how he pace his music. Sometimes a month or two before he drop a song or a video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. But when he drop though, it's always a banger. You know what I'm saying? Always good quality music, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that my family know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me and say how y'all feel about him finally drop the video for Boss. You know what I'm saying? Is it long overdue? Let me know in the comment section, man. But yeah, Alka be doing this thing, putting on for the culture. Big up to Alka. He did a lot for the culture, and he's way ahead of a lot of artists in this game. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. He's independent, fully independent too, which is crazy. You know what I'm saying? And doing it at this level, come on, man. Yeah, that's why I don't like Alka like that, bro. Fully independent, doing it at this level, man. And he's bigger than a lot of these artists in this game. Shout out Alka. You're one of the best to do the game in the game, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, gang. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite part is. If you like, go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say, damn mafia send me. You know, so strong over. Yes, so. Man, I need to see that mafia in the comment section of the video that we watched, man. Jambisco dancing. I need to see that in the comment section. Also, remember to go join the Discord. Link in the description, gang. You know, I'm joining Discord. We'll be chopping over there. You can send in song requests. You can plan lives. You can content, moderator, prizes, surprises. Everything is on Discord. So go over there. You know when soon as my videos drop, so you can watch them. So yeah, join the Discord. Become part of the family, gang. You don't know, we lit over there, man. And yeah. We're going strong, guy. You know what I'm saying? So look out for more reactions to come. We're going. We're not stopping. You don't know. Till next time, gang. It's your boy Jambisco is here now. Hit and smash up. Bang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I don't know.